Greetings, fellow citizen scientists and historians. This is Jen coming at you with another video from the Citizen Science Alliance channel. But this one is just, I'm doing this as just like a public service announcement. I really hope that someone can forward this video to people who work for the city who can organize some sort of retrieval of this object because of its historic significance, which you'll see. Obviously my title is giving it away, but yeah, this, I am quite sure after doing a bit of research that this is a Civil War shell, probably Union, from the Battle of Morrisville. And it was detonated right here. The other piece of it is on the other side of the mound that's kind of swallowing it up partially. There is probably a ton of shrapnel in the area, and there may even be still human remains around there if this object has been laying there all this time without being retrieved. It's possible. And so I really feel like this is kind of hallowed, sacred ground here that, that needs to be brought to the attention of public officials. So I'm creating this video in the hopes that some kind of effort can be organized so that this item can be pulled out of there and put into our history museum where it belongs and not rotting in the woods for another 150 years. So that's the other piece of it that I found. And I'm going to show you right where I found it. I really hope this doesn't end up in somebody's private collection. It belongs to everyone. This is our history as Americans. It's on what I believe to be public property, and that means that it belongs to all of the tax-paying citizens who live there. So I'm going to show you right where to find it. I don't think that anybody could actually physically remove it by themselves anyway. You're probably going to need some equipment, some heavy equipment. There's RDU, and this is Aviation Parkway, and then Globe Road. Turn onto Globe. From Globe, you turn onto Salona. Past the daycare, park your car anywhere on the right-hand side, and you're gonna come up on it just after the daycare. There's a little, here, let me turn it this way so I can tilt it. You see that opening in the woods? There's even some yellow, like an orange plastic wall, kind of, whatever that stuff is. It's almost like caution tape, but it's plastic and it's orange and it's more like a wall. That's what it is. And now I'm going to pinpoint these objects for you. I drew the shell itself is over where I drew the X on the left-hand side, and the other piece of it that I found is on the opposite side of the big mound that you'll see next to it, which is on the right-hand side, where I've drawn the X on the right-hand side, approximately. That's it. Get out there and see, get into the woods near your house, because you never know what you're going to find. And I hope next time I go to the History Museum, I see this shell on display. Thank you for watching.